Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to align text to the bottom of text in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your Excel spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I align text to the bottom of text in Excel on this sheet. At first, you have to go to Insert menu. Then insert a text box. Now write anything this text box. Now I align text to the bottom of text in Excel. Select this text box, then go to home menu. Now you can see here are alignment option. Now I choose this one, bottom align. Bottom or center align. Now you can see I align text to the bottom of text in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.